Hey everyone, how's it going? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about how to properly change your engine oil and your oil filter. Now, regular oil changes are essential for keeping your engine running smoothly and extending its lifespan. It's also a very simple, cost-effective way to maintain your vehicle's overall health. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's go ahead and go over some of the tools and supplies that you're gonna need. New engine oil, oil filter. Make sure that it's the right type for your vehicle. That's gonna be different vehicle to vehicle. Now, you're also gonna want a pair of gloves. You don't want that stuff getting all over your hands. You don't wanna expose yourself to harmful chemicals and substances. Next, you're gonna need yourself a socket set, and very lightly, you're gonna need oil filter pliers or a wrench. This guy over here. Now, it's gonna make getting things off a lot easier. Now, a funnel is also going to make it really easy to go ahead and pour new engine oil into the engine without making a mess or spilling all over the place. And last but not least, you're going to need a jack. Now, you also want a set of jack stands. You're going to need to be able to pick up your car. One, that's what the jack's for. And two, you want to make sure that the car is up and safe and not going to come down on you. And that's it. That's what it's going to take to get the job done. First, we're going to go ahead and drain the old oil. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to lift the vehicle using the jack and make sure we secure it. Next, you're going to want to locate the drain plug and make sure you position your pan. Place the oil catch pan under the sump to collect the old oil. Unscrew the drain plug carefully. Don't confuse it with the gearbox oil and let it drain completely. Once drained, make sure you go ahead and clean up the plug and the hole. Replace the old O-ring gasket with a new one, screw it in, tighten it. Now let's go ahead and replace the oil filter. Use the oil filter pliers or a wrench to remove the old oil filter. Apply a small amount of new oil around the rubber seal of the new oil filter. Screw in the new oil filter by hand and tighten it securely. Next, we're going to fill this thing in with new engine oil. Lower the vehicle back down to the ground. Using a funnel, pour in the correct type and the amount of new engine oil. After filling, check the oil level with the dipstick to ensure that it's at the proper level. Quick, easy, straight to the point. Nothing much more to it, except for resetting that light. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the oil and oil filter. We hope this video was helpful and you're able to complete the service properly now. Thanks a lot for watching.